When maintenance issues are reported poorly, everyone loses time. Landlords don't know how urgent the problem is. Contractors arrive unprepared, and tenants wait longer than necessary for a fix. Most problems come down to three things: missing details, unclear urgency, and too many fragmented messages. A good maintenance report answers 5 simple questions. What is the issue? Where is it happening? When did it start? Is it getting worse? And does it affect safety or essential services like heating, water, or electricity? For example, saying the heating isn't working properly doesn't tell anyone what action is needed. A clearer message would be, the boiler stopped working last night. There is no heating or hot water in the house. That single message immediately tells the landlord the urgency and what to prioritize. It also helps to include a photo or short video where possible, and to keep one issue per message instead of spreading details across multiple texts or emails. Routine issues can usually be reported during normal working hours, while urgent problems should be escalated immediately. Clear, calm, and factual communication reduces back and forth and helps issues get resolved faster for everyone.